Sanibona bafethu, I hope niyaphila. The next match Orlando Pirates iyodlala against iGolden Arrows. And le game le izodlalwa le Orlando Stadium lapho khona Orlando Pirates izobhekana neteam ebisathanda kubhekana nayo. Yabo menikhumbula kahle last week sibhekane nayo iGolden Arrows idlala eMosmapita sayiwina leyo game ngo-2-1. Simbonile uMabasa escore kuleyo game. Sambona futhi noTito Masongane escore kuleyo game. So dlala i-return fixture sidlala eOrlando Stadium ngo-7 kuLwesibili. So lana ngizoshaya i-lineup prediction yami asingithola ithuba mina. Le game le izobe emotional for Orlando Pirates because zobe kuyimatch yokugcina ya Jose Riveiro. Yabo sizwile ke indaba namhlanje kuphume indaba namhlanje kuthiwa uJose Riveiro usecelile kumanagement ukuthi bamdedele early ahambe ayojoyina le club leyasekhulumile nayo yize ingadalulwanga ke iclub lapha ku statement esibalwe Orlando Pirates but ke kubatho kulabo abathole umbiko uthi uJose Riveiro ujoyina iAl Ahly yabo. So le game le azobe idlala against iLamontville Golden Arrows kuzobe kuyigame yokugcina. So izobe emotionally, a lot of players might even cry yabo, maybe sobona ucoach eshayelwa i-guard of honor yabo. Ngisazi sobona kuzowenzakalani kusasa but ke mina ngizoshayela na prediction yami yabo. Nawe ngangitshela lana prediction yakho yakusasa yabo. To be honest ayikho into etheni sayidlalela kule season yabo. Sesiphumile vele kwi-Champions League, saphuma kwi-Nedbank Cup, sishaye Kaizer Chiefs yabo. I don't think i-league possible right now because Sundowns ine-point elilodwa ukuthi ithathe i-league and goal difference ne-Sundowns is a different ball game. So kumele nje le game lesiyidlale as i-game yabo, any game. So usalengi ahead of le game le yabo, and usalengi ubejima ne-team nomjito ubukeke ready ngempela. Singisazi ke noma uzokwazi ukudlala kusasa asazi hlezi siyibona izithombe zakho Monopoly Saling yabo kanje but ke asimboni yena mekuyodlalwa. Singisazi nangoqwena neBP but ke at the goalkeeping post ngaqalisa yena bafethu uSipho Chain. Ngifuna ukukhuluma kakhulu ngoSipho Chain. Yes, bengamqalisa uButhelezi but uSipho Chain I feel like he's the perfect choice to start kule game le yabo. Mhlawumbe wena ngamqalisa uButhelezi because ayikho into ethene sayidlalela kule season but mina ngamqalisa uSipho Chain. Uyena goalkeeper engamfaka yabo, angayinikeza i-team confidence ukuthi siwine le game le yabo. Kumele siqede i-league comfortably yabo ku number 2. Kumele nje siqede ku number 2 comfortably. Asifuni okutatazela manje amathima manje ngoSikhokhoni masedlala la ewina, amathima manje ngoStelies masefuna ukusichallenge lapha ku number 2 position. So kumele sazi ukuthi okay abadlali abazodlala kusasa, abadlali asazi kahle ukuthi bawusitholela u3 points yabo. Kumele siye kwi-Champions League na kanjani. Mase ukuthi ama-center backs wami wegame yakusasa ngaqalisa uMbokazi benosibisi. Umbokazi last game the guy was exceptional. Naye futhi usibisi last game yabo. They were both exceptional. It's a pity ke we lost that game against the Kaizer Chiefs yabo. Penalty yokuqala, igoli lesibili, careless defending from the team. Umbokazi wahluleka ukukhipha ibhola, uclear ibhola waliphasela lomdlalo weKaizer Chiefs. Lo Kaizer Chiefs walibuyisa ekuthini but ke amaphutha kanjeyana ayasaka ezabadlali yabo, ayasaka ngempela. I trust ukuthi uMbokazi uzofunda kulamaphutha akhe. Sibisi nawe uzokwazi ukumfaka egamini umshita yabo, uzokhula nje. So iyona ke center back position, iyona center back yabo engawakhetha la. Iwona ama center backs engawakhetha la. Ungangitshela wena ngokwakho ngamkhetha yini mhlawumbe uMayela, mhlawumbe ngamkhetha yini uXoki, mhlawumbe ngamkhetha yini uba. I think wona ama center backs esinawo la because abanye balimele oNdaba, balimele oSesane, balimele. So right now wona ama center backs esinawo la. Mase kuthi kwi-right wing back position ngaqalisa bani, ngaqalisa uVan Rooyen. For me he was good kule game athi sidlala neKaizer Chiefs. He was good kule game, so I'll start the guy yabo. Maybe wona ngamqalisa uNdlozi because we don't have anything to lose kule game. Yes, we need the 3 points but I'll start uVan Rooyen yabo. Angalongi ngifuna ngizothini, angole ngifuna ukudowngrade iGolden Arrows. Nabo bawadinga ama points yabo, bawadinga ama points even though we won against them last game but bengekho easy. Bawadinga ama points, so ngamqalisa uVan Rooyen kule game le. Mase kuthi kule left wing back ngamqalisa bani, uDion Hotto. So udinga u3 points kule game. Dion Hotto kumele aqale emuva. Lento yokuqalisa uDion Hotto up front is a no. Afuqa manga qalisa uDion Hotto up front. Orlando Pirates ayidlali kahle mesomqalisa up front, so ngamqalisa emuva umjito. Ngangitshela ukuthi ungamdlalisa yini upase kaMarco in that left wing back position but mina ngokwami I would start him kule position le yabo. Mase kuthi lapha ku number 6 ngidlale deep ngamdlalisa uMakhehleni Makhawula mhlawumbe umunye bengasho ukuthi amqalisa uSelebhe. uMakhehleni Makhawula last game usheshe waphuma, bad decision made by the coach yabo. Asazi bekwenze njani but ke mina ngokwami ngamqalisa uMakhehleni Makhawula ngimdlalise maybe ngimkhiphe ngabo 8 if the team is doing well yabo, ngimkhiphe. But ukuvela umkhiphe nje ukuthi abadlala phambi kwakhe uMakhehleni Makhawula ngadlalisa bani, ngaqalisa uMbatha benobani benoDlamini yabo. Questionable choice of players, but I'll start uMbatha benoDlamini. Reason why I started uDlamini, I saw uDlamini the last game we played against the Golden Arrows. It felt like he was having the best game of his life. The way he carried the ball, the way he moved with the ball, the way he made his runs yabo. Umjita ubekwazi ukudlala against the Arrows. Mase ubheke team njenge Arrows ayinawo abadlala abayiquality eswini. Njengoba ingenawo abadlala abayiquality eswini, uDlamini uyakwazi ukudlala nama team kanjalo yabo. Uqalisa uDlamini kuyasiza ngempela because uDlamini like he's that type of player ongabi nenkinga kakhulu medlala nama team aqinile eswini. uDlamini uyambona ukuthi akadlali kahle once sadlala nama team aqinile eswini, but medlala nama team angaqinile eswini uyambona uDlamini uthi hayi yena umnandi yabo. Uba exposed when we play against defensive teams eswini yabo. Ama team nje anequality eswini seba exposed kakhulu mase somqalisa uDlamini. So I saw when we played against the Golden Arrows ukuthi uDlamini yakwazi ukudlala against Golden Arrows. So ngamqalisa uTito ngembe ebhenchini. Talent Mbatha, I start uTalent Mbatha. I have nothing to say about uTalent Mbatha. The guy is exceptional. We saw him against the Kaizer Chiefs. He was playing really good. I don't know. Many people were saying akadlalanga kahle. Maybe it's just me. I was there live watching him play. The guy was phenomenal yabo. Ubeyiterrorizer isisu seKaizer Chiefs nje, ubesiterrorizer kakhulu baze mamkhipha ucele ngenxa yakhe umjito uyakwazi ukudlala yabo. So isisam lesi ngaqalisa uMakhehleni as deep 6 ukuthi phambi kwakhe uMakhehleni ukudlala uMbatha benelo mjita lo uDlamini yabo. Ngangitshela wena ngokwakho ngaqalisa ba lapha eswini. Mase kuthi i-right winger yami, even though there's a high possibility ukuthi ngiyadlala umjita, but for me kule game le nje ubizobe emotional kakhulu. Ngamqalisa bafethu uMonapule Saleng. He has been training with the first team for a long time, and the opportunity le ukuthi uJose uyahamba and igame yakhe yokugcina le, why not play the guy? Because the guy was brought by Jose Rivero to the first team Orlando Pirates. If it wasn't for Jose, we wouldn't have seen uMonapule Saleng playing for the first team Orlando Pirates, because umukhumbula kahle wajoin Orlando Pirates around 2022 yabo. Nje bayijoin Orlando Pirates, iPirates yamlona le kwiSwallows yabo. Wafika wadlala kwiSwallows wathi Jose no, that guy uyakwazi ukudlala, asimlethe kwi-first team adlale ne-club yabo. Singamloni because many players bokunaki abadlala abaningi abasayini Orlando Pirates abasuka le ezansi abayithola igame time eningi. Njengoba bengayithola igame time eningi sebasayina sibalethe badlale nathi, but abayithola igame time eningi siphinde sibaloni. Look at Phelo Baloni right now. Look at uGumede lo goalkeeper. Look at uba lo mdlalo nomdlalo esethana kumthenga udlala as number 10 kuOrlando Pirates, but usekwadlala against iChippa United yabo. Lo mdlalo usuka lezansi naye. So uMonapule Saleng wabonwa ubani uJose Rivero, yena mnezi ithuba and usesebenze kakhulu noJose kuningi asekuzuzile naye. So I'll start him in the right wing position kusasa. Mina if I had the chance to prepare the starting lineup yabo, I'll start uMonapule Saleng in that right wing position. I know the guy kumele ipiece ngabe wayenza kudala nemanagement yabo. Mina abinkinga zabo zalungisa kudala, ngabe kuningi esakuwina kule season kube khona bezokwazi ukusiza team, but ke it's an emotional game. We need him to play that game yabo just for Jose Rivero mfethu. Asazi ukuthi ka left wing ngaqalisa uba Mfukeng ubengekho against iKaizer Chiefs. I didn't see much of Mfukeng even though he was there in the starting lineup, but I didn't see much of him. But I'll start him against the Golden Arrows yabo. Ngangitshela ngaqalisa ba lapha kule position. Mase kuthi lapha ku number 9 striker Makgopa. I don't need to talk about Makgopa, umjito uyalazi yabo iyona line up yami le ngawungitshele ngiyakho wena.